That deafening roar when you flush isn't your imagination. It's the sound of the vacuum system at work, creating powerful suction in a pressurized environment. In fact, the pressure difference between the cabin and the waste tank can create a suction force strong enough to pull everything down instantly. That's why you should never flush while still seated. It's not dangerous, but it's not pleasant either. Fun fact, engineers could design quieter systems, but passengers often prefer the loud whoosh. It reassures them that everything has truly disappeared.